WPTV News Channel 5's T.A. Walker is bringing us a look at what the conditions are like right now outside our station. He's upstairs on the balcony. Good morning, T.A.
Good morning, John. You know, we're overlooking the West Palm Beach waterfront and the lake there. And what's impressive about this storm is conditions change on a dime. You know, when we were out here before about 20 minutes ago, rain was coming down really hard. There's lots of gust of wind. And right now it's just a light drizzle and light breeze, and it's completely different. The palm trees are barely swaying, and the lake is very relatively calm compared to 20 minutes ago. I think that's what's interesting. Plus, you know, it feels really wet, sticky, and humid at times, and then it feels nice and cool at other times. It's very interesting. Rox?
And I think that's such a good point, TA, because you get lulled into thinking, well, we've got a break in the weather.
Right.
Let's go outside. Let's go run an errand, see a neighbor down the street. But just that quickly, it can change, and you can be in one of these blinding storms with thunder and lightning that's severe. Or
yeah, and if you check
it
out right now, the winds are picking right back up, and it's changing on a dime, like I said. Also, you know, there's 20,000 people, FPL customers here in Palm Beach County without power over that. And you want to go outside because you want to check your property, but we don't recommend that.
No, that's really good. That's another good idea and good advice there, especially when you mentioned there's 21,000 people and that's changing, but without power. It also means in those areas signals are out. It means perhaps wind or something has knocked down a stop sign. You just don't know. And you don't want to be out driving in this, and you can hit a standing pool of water and all of a sudden your car stalls out. You don't want to be on the side of the road or stuck or stranded in this bad weather.
All right,
that's true, Rox. And the other thing I wanted to point out, if you are listening to us on ESPN 106.3 and you're in the coverage area, that's great. You know, our Treasure Coast viewers, some of those people aren't in the signal area and you can't get that. So make sure you have your cell phones charged. Make sure you follow us on WPTV.com or on the WPTV app. Rox?
And I think when you're out in the elements like you are, you realize how important that's going to be throughout the day, because it's going to get nasty and you're going to want to know what's going on. All right, TA, we'll be checking back in with you. Are you going to be Facebooking Live later today too?
We are, because you know, we like to have those two-way conversations with you. There's a lot of folks out there that are alone, that really just want a friendly voice. So I know, Rox and John, when you get off the air, we'll probably do one for about 30 minutes or so. So if you have questions or if you just want to talk to somebody, we'll be there for you.
Yeah, to all of you at home, we will be Facebooking Live. I think TA just said when we're off the air, which is about 6 a.m., we'll be coming off the air to take a quick break. So we'll start Facebooking Live. So be sure to join us for that with any questions. And also tell us what you are seeing where you are as you join us on Facebook Live. All right, TA, I know it looks like
the long haul.
Looks like it's starting to blow out there. Come on inside. All right, now that's video of Fort Myers again, isn't it?
Fort Myers, right.